Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about Shopify Editions Summer 22. So what this is a collection of product updates that Shopify has featured into a very innovative web page that looks like a super immersive magazine. So it's a nice way to be aware of all the news that Shopify has to offer, and they've highlighted more than 100 product features and updates that happened in the first half of 2022. So you could say Shopify is a super innovative company. They're doing so much stuff, they need to summarize it into one big magazine so that people are aware of all the stuff that they're doing. And even ourselves, who are Shopify partners, and we're honored to be a Shopify partner, to be part of the ecosystem, some of the stuff I had missed, and so I learned a ton of stuff by reading all of that Shopify Editions content. So it's super interesting. The web page experience is super nice, super innovative. So I'm going to show it to you, it's really a great experience. You need to see this, in my opinion. And so we're going to review some of these updates, not all of them, of course, because it's going to be too long. But I will be putting the links in the description so you can see by yourself. And you can go section by section. I will show you how the page is structured so you can find things of interest to you more easily. Before we go into that, please like, subscribe to the channel, comment below. All these actions are super helpful to help us grow, so thank you in advance. This is brought to you by Ad360. Ad360 is the easiest way to start advertising all over the web in one click. And we have a Shopify partner app. So there's an app, Ad360 app, in the Shopify App Store. You can download in one click and have access to all the Ad360 features, the automatically generated advertising banners, dynamic creatives, advertising campaigns, including retargeting. All of that is fully automated and generated in one click from your Shopify store. If you want to learn more, you can try for yourself the app with the first link in the description, or book a demo and a call with the team with the second link. Okay, let's get into the content. So this is the page, Shopify Editions Summer 2022. So from what I understand, they will be doing one of these twice per year. Or that's what it looks like. So connect to consumers, that's the title of this edition. So it's a very nice video, so we're not going to play the whole video with the sound, but it's super cool. I like it a lot. So you have a ton of stuff. So here you have the different sections. So if you want to go more quickly towards one aspect, you see find customer, convert shoppers, create your story, build relationships, run your business, scale and build. So you have different sections. So the first one is find customers. I find this super interesting. They put this one first because this is also the problem we're trying to solve for e-commerce businesses. So making demand generation super simple, that's our motto, and that's what we're trying to do. And so Shopify, they did release a product called Shopify Audiences that's in that category. So I'm going to describe the product and explain what it does. So find your next best customer. I like this tagline. So finding new customers with digital ads has become harder and more expensive. That's why we built Shopify Audiences. Shopify Audiences is a new app for Shopify, that helps you find your next best customer. Shopify's unique view on purchase intent and our merchant network helps identify buyers who are looking for your products. Create and export high interest audiences to ad platforms like Facebook. So they're saying high conversion rates, better performing ads, smart audience creation with machine learning, integrated to Shopify and ad platforms, and Shopify Plus exclusive. So the bad news is it's only for Shopify Plus, which is the big merchant solution for larger e-commerce businesses. So if you're not on Shopify Plus, you can't use this product yet, maybe. At least right now they haven't announced a date, a release date for everybody on Shopify. But I think this is a great product, and I'm biased because this is very close to what Ad360 is doing, with some differences, of course. But Ad360 also has the same goal of helping you find your next best customer, helping you run ads. And we have the same benefits in terms of high conversion rates, better performing ads. That's also our goal. More affordable ads as well, because everybody's fighting for the same eyeballs on Facebook and Google. So these ads are crazily expensive. And so ads with Ad360 cost less because we help you advertise beyond social media like Facebook and Google. And that's one key difference, because this product So they create audiences, they say purchase intent and basically lookalike audiences and stuff like that. So that's very close to what we do. And we also use machine learning to segment audiences and find interesting audiences that are going to be more likely to buy your products. The difference is this product helps you build these audiences and then export them to Facebook. Whereas we allow you to find these people not only on Facebook, but everywhere on the web. So we run on ad exchanges and programmatic advertising platforms, basically meaning that every website out there and blog and news site and mobile app, which is not a social media or Google, which means the vast majority of the web actually, hundreds of millions of websites, most likely we can advertise on them. So we have access to way more sites than on the Google Display Network. The Google Display Network is something like 2 million websites. We have access to 100 million plus websites and mobile apps. So there's a huge amount of websites out there which you're probably not leveraging yet. So most people don't know that exists, most small businesses, but big brands do. So our goal is to bring small businesses the same tools that big brands like Disney and McDonald's and Uber use. So we can bring you the same tools thanks to Ad360. So even if you don't have access to this product with Ad360, you can basically do very efficient ads with machine learning powered targeting and benefit from all of that. And it's also fully integrated with Shopify. We have our app in the Shopify App Store. And the other thing is it's super easy. You don't even need to tell us who you want to target. We understand that automatically from your store. We optimize automatically so you can start advertising in just one click. Okay, let's continue the review of the Shopify Editions. So the second product they're highlighting is Shop Cash. Grow your business with Shop Cash rewards. This year, Shopify's most popular checkout is getting even better. Shopify will give buyers millions of dollars in Shop Cash rewards for their Shop Pay purchases. With Shop Cash boosts, you can create offers to gain new customers who are already using the Shop app. So that's super interesting. It's free, and so it can give a higher incentive to people to buy from you on your shop. It's going to be less expensive for them if they get a cash bonus. So that's super, super interesting. Then you have Twitter shopping to highlight your product directly on Twitter. You have a Dovetail to find creators, build communities, sell more products. So that's super interesting. Link Pop to do the one link stuff, super helpful for all the social media channels. And on Link Pop, so it's a bit like Linktree and other solutions like that, but Link Pop is made by Shopify, and you can highlight some of your products directly on this page. So they don't even need them to click on your store. They can buy directly your product. You can highlight products directly from the Link Pop page. So it's super helpful. By the way, you'll find our Ad360 Link Pop link in the description below. I'll put it so you can see an example of that. So marketplace kits, different APIs, different stuff that you can find super easily. Then second section, convert shoppers, B2B on Shopify, Shopify point of sale. So I'm not going to go through all the stuff, but I just want to give you a few highlights. Shopify markets, quite interesting. Shopify checkout extensibility, different features, Shop Pay enhancement, discounting features. So you have a lot of different stuff. So super, super interesting. So I won't go through all the rest, but you have an idea. I'm just going to scroll through quickly. You have some technical products, you have some financial products, you have some just some stuff to save you time in the Shopify platform. You have some fulfillment, shipping, logistics stuff. We made the whole video about that. 2-day delivery, promise. They call that Shop Promise, I think. So that's super interesting. Yeah, Shop Promise, best way to earn trust. So 2-day delivery, free shipping, hassle-free return. So they handle all of that. So that's quite interesting. And then scale. So build for Shopify, Shopify functions, data protection, balance, Shopify Capital, quite interesting. Not a lot of people know that, but Shopify Capital can help you with working capital needs. They can give you money to help you buy inventory in advance if they see regular sales from your shop, so they will calculate how much you're eligible to. So that's quite interesting if you are growing super fast and the cash flow management and working capital needs are becoming an issue. Shopify actually has a solution for that, so that's quite interesting. And Planet, an app to power carbon neutral shipping and connect with customers. So if you have an environmental conscious brand, and if you're cautious about your impact on the planet, you want to do something more for that, you should look into Planet. That's quite interesting. Okay, if you want some highlights, you don't want to read the whole stuff, there's also a blog from Shopify. I will also link it in the description below, that just highlights some of the most important stuff and give you the links to the different apps. So that's super interesting. Okay, I hope you learned a few things and you like the page review. It's super immersive. I like a lot the experience and all the videos and the rich content. So it's super cool. So tell me in the comments what you thought and what's your favorite feature, the feature you like the most that Shopify released in the last 6 months. I'd be super happy to hear your opinion on that. Thank you so much. I wish you a ton of success. See you soon. Bye.